With America so SUV obsessed, it's really nice to see two all-new compact sedans here at the Detroit Auto Show. Yesterday I was able to show you the all-new Jetta. This is the 2019 third generation Kia Forte. Let's take a first look. So if you guys remember, Kia hasn't always had the best luck in the compact segment. However, that really all changed back in 2009 with the introduction of the first Forte. This all-new third generation takes a lot of design cues from the corporate new design language. The tiger nose grille, these really attractively sleek headlights, full LEDs are available, and it looks like a mini Kia Stinger. I really love this particular trim is the EX with the black lower fascia here, this really nice air intake right here with the turn signals integrated. I think it's a really handsome looking sedan. Now the Forte is only available as a sedan body style. If you want a hatch, you have to buy the Forte 5, which is going to be saved to be released for a later date. This particular EX that I'm showing you also comes with these 17-inch wheels. I think they look attractive. They're machined with a gray painted inner spoke. They really fill out the wheel wells nicely. Now I couldn't find any specs for how much bigger this is, but it does look a little bit longer than the old one. It's also, you can definitely tell it sits lower, giving it more of a sleeker design. I also noticed here it doesn't have that sloping rear roof that a lot of sedans are going to, which I think is bold of Kia. They're kind of safe with the fact that this is a sedan. We're not going to try to hide it and make it look like a coupe, which is fine by me. Now the rear of the car, I love these elegant tail lights. They're LED on this particular trim. I love how they kind of go across the entire trunk lid. I also love the nicely clean finish single outlet exhaust. I think it's a great looking design. Under the hood of the all-new Forte sedan, I wish there were more changes to talk about with the powertrain, but the engine hasn't changed. It's still the same 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that runs on the Atkinson cycle. It's the engine they introduced on the Forte just last year. It still makes the same power, 147 horsepower, 132 pound-feet of torque. Now the transmissions are a different story. You can still get a 6-speed manual on the base model. However, Kia is introducing the company's first ever CVT. Now they're calling it an intelligent variable transmission, or IVT, and Kia says that they have designed this in-house and they've basically made sure it doesn't have any of that rubber band feel that we don't particularly like. Now enthusiasts of course are going to snark at the fact that it's a CVT, but I'm going to wait to drive it to reserve judgment because there are some pretty good CVTs actually on the market. Now Kia also says this powertrain will deliver a best-in-class 35 mpg combined rating, so they really were targeting fuel economy with this all-new car. It still only comes with front-wheel drive, but I am looking forward to driving it and show you guys how Kia's first CVT performs. So on the inside of the all-new Forte, you can see they took a lot of elements here, what we've seen from the new Stinger, especially with that floating center stack, but shutting the door, it sounds pretty solid. Honestly, this is kind of based on the new Elantra platform, which I'm honestly truly impressed with. When I'm looking at the rest of the interior, it's very simple in here. It's very clean, and that's not a bad thing. The seats on this EX model, they're supportive, they're comfortable. The steering wheel, I like the new design with some of the new switchgear. And then the materials in the compact segment, you have soft touch door panels, you have a faux stitch soft touch upper dash here, although it is hard touch plastic here. I see a lot of the Optima and Stinger design influence here. It's kind of coming together. This particular one has a sunroof. There's no pano sunroof on this, but overall, you can kind of just get in this and know how to use it. Now, in terms of features, there's going to be Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Kia's Uvo infotainment system with an 8-inch touchscreen display, and then all the driver assistance stuff you kind of expect. It's not standard like on some competitors, but Kia does make it available, like their smart cruise control, their active lane keeping assist. Now, you can expect the all-new Forte to go on sale later this year. With no pricing yet announced, the current generation model is one of the more cheaper offerings, so I wouldn't be surprised to see Kia kind of stick to that pricing category. For Redline reviews at the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, I'm Sylvian Day.